Hey guys, look what came back. The cluster. But it's not Saturday like I hoped. It's Monday the 12th. So let's see. Let's open this up. Let's open this up and let's get this back together and hopefully be done with it. Alright, give me a minute. Hey guys, I just want to share this with you real quick. This did come very well packaged. I did open it. It was all like the paper in there. It was all, the cluster's all wrapped, and they give me like, I'm not going to show it to you because my information's on it, but they do give you a warranty. It's got like a lifetime warranty. All right, let's get back to installing this. All right, guys, I plugged it back in, connected the back piece, the harness plug to the cluster. And I lined up the 4 holes, and before I bolt this in, I know it works, but I'm going to show you it works. We got the Prndl display. And when you first plug it in, it's going to like all light up. And you're going to hear like the stepper motors like a and those are the stepper motors recalibrating. I had a full tank. My RPMs look good. So far, so good. All right, let's put the 4 bolts in and finish this up. Okay, we got all 4 bolts in, and we just gotta put on the cover. And like I said, it works. And so far, so good. And all the bolts, like I said, in the first video, the bolts on this side were out. So I don't know if we're gonna be able to tell. Yeah, it looks like they're all on now. Have to wait till it's dark and tell. All right, cover's back on. Everything looks good. Everything looks like it works like it's supposed to. And all my years in cars, I never even realized this. They actually call this the Prndl display because the BRndl for low. Just take away the 3 and the 2. Yeah, they call this the Prndl display. I never knew that. You learn something new every day. So, okay. So like I said, I'm happy. I'm glad it's done. I can use the truck again. Everything looks good. Like I said, it comes with like a limited lifetime warranty as long as I own the car. So far so good. And before I go, like I said, he replaced all the stepper motors, all the bulbs, and he said there was an issue with the power going to this, and obviously he fixed it. So yeah, so that's the repair on the cluster on my 04 Sierra, and well, between me mailing it and the whole service cost me $90. I'm not fooling around with solder. I got it in about a little over a week, and I couldn't be happier. I could use the truck again. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Hit that like button if you like it. Don't forget to subscribe. If I get to 200 subscribers, I'm going to do another small giveaway. So, to the next video. See you guys later. Yeah, I don't know if you can see it. Sorry about the glare. The bulbs do work. Okay, that's what the fog light's on. And they do work. Awesome. I'm very, very happy. I can't be happier. Very, very happy. All right.